Hey there! Welcome back to Cashflow Ciphers. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck or just looking for a way to make some extra cash, this video is for you. Today, I'll share 5 proven side hustles you can start today. No fluff, no scams, just real opportunities to boost your income. Let's dive in. First up, freelancing. If you have a skill, writing, graphic design, video editing, or even coding, there are clients out there willing to pay for your expertise. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer make it easy to get started. I know someone who made $2,000 in their first month just editing videos for YouTube creators. Start with competitive pricing and build up your reviews. Don't underestimate your skills. Whether it's designing logos or managing social media, there's a niche out there for you. Next up, online tutoring. If you're good at math, science, English, or even playing the guitar, you can teach others. Websites like VIPKid, Tutor.com, or even creating your own classes on platforms like Udemy can bring in consistent income. Imagine getting paid to share what you already know. Flexible hours plus high earning potential. You don't need a teaching degree, just expertise and a passion for helping others. Third on the list is selling digital products. This one's a game changer. Create something once and sell it over and over again. Think digital planners, stock photos, printables, or even ebooks. Etsy, Gumroad, and Shopify are great platforms to get started. Passive income equals freedom. One creator I know sells Canva templates and makes over $5,000 a month. This is a perfect option if you're creative and want to build something that lasts. Affiliate marketing is a powerful way to earn money online. You promote products you love, and when someone buys through your unique link, you earn a commission. Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and ClickBank are great places to start. Build trust with authentic recommendation. Pro tip: focus on products you've used and genuinely believe in. That's how you build trust and long-term income. Last but not least, start your own YouTube channel. Yes, you can do this. Channels like mine show you don't even need to show your face. Choose a topic you're passionate about, like finance, gaming, or cooking, and start creating content. Ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate deals can quickly add up. Everyone starts with 0 subscribers. Just be consistent, and the results will follow. Remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time? Today. So there you have it. 5 proven side hustles you can start today. Freelancing, online tutoring, selling digital products, affiliate marketing, and creating a YouTube channel. These aren't just ideas. They're opportunities waiting for you to take action. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments which side hustle you're excited to try. Remember, every big success starts with a single step. So, why not take that step today? Thanks for watching Cashflow Ciphers. See you in the next video.